remarkable figure who left an indelible mark on both thermal physics and philosophy. His groundbreaking work in these seemingly disparate fields continues to influence scientific and philosophical thought to this day. Born in Scotland in 1766, John Leslie showed an early aptitude for mathematics and natural philosophy, which was the term used for science at the time. He studied at the University of St Andrews and later at the University of Edinburgh, where he honed his skills in physics and mathematics. Leslie's most significant contributions to thermal physics came in the early 19th century. He conducted extensive research on heat and its properties, making several important discoveries. One of his most notable achievements was the invention of the differential thermometer, a device that could measure very small temperature differences with great accuracy. This invention proved invaluable in studying heat radiation and conduction. In 1804, Leslie published his seminal work, An Experimental Inquiry into the Nature and Propagation of Heat. This book detailed his experiments and observations on heat radiation, including the discovery that different surfaces emit and absorb heat at different rates. He demonstrated that a blackened surface radiates and absorbs heat more effectively than a polished one, a finding that laid the groundwork for future studies in thermodynamics and radiation physics. But Leslie's intellectual pursuits were not limited to physics. He also made significant contributions to philosophy, particularly in the areas of causality and the philosophy of mathematics. In 1813, he published Elements of Geometry, Geometrical Analysis, and Plane Trigonometry, a work that explored the foundations of geometry and mathematical reasoning. Leslie's philosophical inquiries often intersected with his scientific work. He was particularly interested in the nature of cause and effect and how these concepts applied to physical phenomena. His writings on these topics influenced later philosophers and scientists, contributing to the ongoing dialogue between science and philosophy. Throughout his career, Leslie held several prestigious positions, including the Chair of Mathematics at the University of Edinburgh and later the Chair of Natural Philosophy at the same institution.
These roles allowed him to influence a generation of students and fellow researchers, spreading his ideas and methods throughout the scientific community.
John Leslie's legacy is a testament to the power of interdisciplinary thinking. His work in thermal physics advanced our understanding of heat and laid the foundation for future developments in thermodynamics. At the same time, his philosophical inquiries challenged existing notions of causality and mathematical reasoning, contributing to the broader intellectual discourse of his time. Today, John Leslie is remembered as a pioneer who bridged the gap between physics and philosophy, demonstrating that rigorous scientific inquiry and deep philosophical thought could go hand in hand. His life and work serve as an inspiration to those who seek to push the boundaries of knowledge across multiple disciplines.